Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into QNB credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your QNB credit card online, first open up a web browser of your choice. Once you do that, go to the top of the screen and in the URL box, type in www.qnbbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of QNB Bank, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the login button. You'll need to log into your online banking account in order to access your credit card. Go to the text box where it says login ID and type in your login ID associated with your online banking account for QNB. Once you enter your login ID, you can go ahead and type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password during login in, click on this forgot password in order to reset your password to a new one. If you've not enrolled into online banking for QNB, click on the enroll button and follow the on-screen prompts to register yourself first. Once you enter your credential, click the login button and you'll be able to get access to your QNB online banking account. Go ahead and choose the credit card tab in order to access your credit card and manage your credit card account online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.